You clicked on this video because you also want to get rid of those smile lines, right? Well, I'm sharing the exact facial exercises that helped me. And trust me, they work. I did them twice a day, and within just 1 week, I noticed pretty amazing results. In my last video about jawline exercises, so many of you shared your results in the comments, and it made me so happy to see that it helped you. So, in this video, don't forget to comment your results too. I would love to know if this works for you as well. Before we start, make sure to wash your hands and face properly. Then, apply your favorite moisturizer, cream, or facial oil, whatever suits your skin best, to create a smooth base. Also, place a mirror in front of you and keep your phone in a stable spot so you can follow along with the video easily. Alright, let's get started. The first exercise, alternating cheek puffs 20 seconds. The second exercise, lift mouth corner 30 seconds. The third exercise, smiling fish face, 15 seconds. The fourth exercise, laugh line smoother, 25 seconds. The fifth exercise, tongue rotation, 20 seconds. The sixth exercise, smile lines and cheek lifter, 30 seconds. 15 seconds on one side and 15 on the other side. The last exercise, cheekbones lifting, 20 seconds.